Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can fix a TCL air conditioner flap that is basically not moving or if it is stuck in one position. So here, in order to fix it, what you need to do is you need to simply just take a look at the swing button on top of its remote. So over here, when you press the swing button, you just have to wait for a few seconds and you are going to see if the flap starts moving automatically. Now if it does, it is well and good, but if it doesn't, you just have to first of all turn off your AC and then you just have to start inspecting the flap. You can remove any of the dust buildup or objects that may be preventing it from moving freely. After doing so, you just have to turn the AC off using the remote and then you just have to wait for 1 minute as well, and then you just have to turn it back on. Now sometimes the flap motor recalibrates itself during the setup. Now here, when you press the swing button, you can also listen for a soft motor sound. If you hear the motor but the flap doesn't move, it means the flap may have come loose from its linkage. And if there is no sound at all, it means the swing motor or its connection may need servicing. So you can try these easy fixes and see if that works for you. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.